Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Chris and today is Friday, so that means I have another Flashback Friday video for you. This one was originally uploaded back in 2012. This was a really fun video because we actually got celebrity Bobcat Goldthwait, who was in Police Academy. He's a comedian, actor, and also a director. He is my friend's uncle. So Rob Kramer is the one that did the art for the cookbook Vegan Zombie Cook and Survive, and it was his uncle that is Bobcat Goldthwait. So he was able to pull some strings and he got him to do a quick little cameo in one of our videos. And since we are here in Syracuse, New York, this is where we're from, and that is also where Bobcat is from, we decided to do salt potatoes, which are native to Syracuse, New York. So we're known here for salt potatoes. So in this video, we came up with a recipe for not just salt potatoes, and we talk about salt potatoes, but also like a little garlic buttery sauce to put over them. And then we have Bobcat at the end taking care of a zombie or two for us. So this was a really fun one. The funny thing about this is at the very end, so I grew up with Bobcat Goldthwait in Police Academy playing the character of Zed. And you know, I was a little kid in the 80s, and my brother and I used to run around trying to talk like he talked in the movie. So I was familiar who Bobcat was, but John was not familiar who Bobcat was, and he couldn't say his name. So there's a couple outtakes that I don't think I ever posted, but we have audio of John trying to say Bobcat's name and Bobcat correcting him like 3 different times. It was kind of funny and embarrassing at the same time. Bobcat was totally cool with it and kind of laughing, but John was like, oh my God, I can't say his name. Goldthwait. Anyway, I don't know if I can find that audio for you guys, but if I ever find it in the future, I'll show you guys. But anyway, this is Salt Potatoes with Bobcat Goldthwait. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you're enjoying these Flashback Fridays, because these videos are like kind of in the vault, lost forever on a YouTube channel that's really old. So I decided to take some of these old videos and put them back up there. Anyway, here it is.
Just what I was looking for. A kitchen. Let's see what we got here. Salt potatoes. Perfect.
Cooking with the vegan zombie.
Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Vegan Zombie. Now you're probably wondering, what the heck are salt potatoes? Now, the salt potato is a classic dish that developed here in the central New York region millions of years ago, long before the zombie apocalypse, of course. I have a bag of salt potatoes right here, which are basically just small potatoes picked early in the summer. About that big. Now there's a real simple rule to follow. 1 pound of salt for every 4 pounds of potatoes. Don't get all scared. I know there's a lot of salt, but that's how it cooks. The salt coats the skin of the potato, actually keeping the water from getting in, so you don't have a real gross, mushy potato. You actually have a sort of baked potato in boiling water. That's crazy, isn't it? But it works. Let me show you how. So I got some boiling water. I'm gonna add 1 pound of salt. Go pound salt. And of course, the taters. Potato. We're working with boiling water here, so try not to burn your hands off. You want to cook them until they can just poke with a fork all the way through. It's probably going to take me 20 minutes, but if you make a whole ton of potatoes, it might take a little longer. Now while those taters are boiling, we're going to make our butter sauce. And when I was a kid, my mom used to just make butter and boringness. But we're going to switch it up tonight. We're going to put some shallots and some garlic in there. We're going to start with a 1/2 cup of Earth Balance buttery spread. And we're going to put it on low heat in a small saucepan. Really low heat. You just want to get it into liquid form. You don't want anything to burn. While that's melting down, I'm going to mince up a couple cloves of garlic. I kind of like this new kitchen. Now, you got to be careful when you're mincing up this garlic, because although it scares the vampires away, it actually attracts the zombies. We're going to mince up 1 shallot. which is very similar to a small onion or a smunion, if you will. And last, a small handful of fresh parsley. We're gonna clean up our mess, and then we're gonna mince it up. We're gonna put all of our minced shallots and garlic into the butter. Butter, I hardly... Boop. And you're just gonna wanna lightly simmer it for about 10 minutes. You don't wanna burn that garlic. All right, guys, I took the liberty to strain the potatoes. They're ready to be eaten. I'm just gonna do a little drizzleization effect on top with our butter. The pot and the pan and the soup. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for right there. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley on there. It smells good. I can't wait to taste it. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple recipe from Syracuse, my hometown. It's my favorite.
Are you infected?
Are you Bobcat Goldthwait?
Are those salt potatoes?
Yeah. Go right ahead.
Oh, those are so good.
Thanks. You never know who you're gonna meet in the middle of a zombie apocalypse.
Oh, this is
Thanks. What just happened? Well, that wraps it up for tonight's episode. I think I'm gonna get out of here because who knows what's around the next corner. Remember, folks, subscribe and survive and stick around because next episode, we cook with Batman. Are you Bobcat Goldthwait?
Goldthwait.
Goldthwait?
We should just do it really fast. Go.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
this. Are you infected?
Are you Bobcat Goldthwait?
Alright.
Sorry.